Yo, what's up everybody? Casey Neistat here. Ever wonder how apps and websites talk to each other? It's like magic, right? Well, not really. It's all thanks to these things called API keys. Think of an API key as your backstage pass to AliExpress, a secret code that lets you access their massive online marketplace directly. With this key, you can unlock a whole new level of online shopping and selling. You can pull product information, track orders, and even manage your store inventory, all automatically. It's like having a personal assistant for your AliExpress business. But hold on, why would you even need this key? What's so special about it? Don't worry, I got you covered. Let's dive into the awesome world of AliExpress API keys and see how they can supercharge your online game. Okay, so you're thinking, Casey, why do I need this AliExpress API key thing? Good question. Imagine this. You're building a website or an app, and you want to sell cool stuff from AliExpress. Instead of manually uploading each product one by one, you can use the API key to automatically import everything with just a few clicks. Think about it. No more wasting time on tedious data entry. The API key does all the heavy lifting for you. Plus, you can use it to get real-time updates on product availability, prices, and shipping information. That means you can always offer your customers the best deals and keep them in the loop. But wait, there's more. The AliExpress API key also lets you tap into their powerful search engine. You can find exactly what you're looking for, even if you don't know the exact product name. It's like having a personal shopper at your fingertips. Alright, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, Casey, but getting an API key sounds complicated. Trust me, it's way easier than you think. It's like ordering a pizza, but instead of pepperoni and cheese, you're getting access to a world of online shopping possibilities. First things first, you need an AliExpress account. If you don't have one already, head over to their website and sign up. It's free and takes just a few minutes. Once you're logged in, go to the developer section and look for the API documentation. Don't worry, it's not as intimidating as it sounds. The documentation will guide you through the process of creating an application and requesting an API key. You'll need to provide some basic information about your app or website, like its name and purpose. Once you've submitted your request, AliExpress will review it and send you your shiny new API key. Section 4, AliExpress by the numbers mind-blowing stats. Now let's talk numbers for a second. Did you know that AliExpress has over 100 million active buyers worldwide? That's like the entire population of Germany shopping on one website. And they're not just browsing either. AliExpress processes over 1 million orders every single day. That's a lot of packages. But here's the craziest part. AliExpress offers over 100 million products in more than 40 different categories. From electronics and fashion to home goods and toys, you can find literally anything on AliExpress. With so many people shopping and selling on AliExpress, it's no wonder that their API key is in high demand. By using the API, you can tap into this massive marketplace and unlock a world of opportunities for your business. Section 5, Ready, Set, Integrate. So there you have it, guys. The AliExpress API key is your ticket to a world of online shopping and selling possibilities. It's like having a secret weapon that gives you a competitive edge. And the best part, getting your hands on this key is super easy. Just follow the simple steps we talked about and you'll be up and running in no time. Don't be intimidated by the technical jargon. The AliExpress API documentation is surprisingly user-friendly, and there are tons of resources available online to help you out. So, what are you waiting for? Go get your AliExpress API key and start unlocking the power of this global marketplace today. Peace out.